So I was doing my routinely doom scrolling, and then I happened to come across an Instagram ad on the new Meta Oakley glasses, and I'm like, oh shoot, let's go ahead and see what this is. I might pre-order them because they're currently on pre-order. I take a look at the website. Let's go ahead and look at it here. And these are the glasses. HSTN, I'm not sure what that stands for. Limited edition, $499. I have not looked at this that much, so we're gonna go ahead and look at it together. But I do own the original Ray-Ban Metas in the transition. I don't know why I separated that, but the transition lenses, and these are great. I haven't been wearing them that much because I have been indoors most of the time. But anyways, I love them. I love them, and they were a very worth it investment for me. It may not be worth it for everyone, but I definitely enjoyed having the ability to listen to audio without having my AirPods in my ears, as well as recording hands-free, especially when I'm trying to document life as much as I can these days. But yes, I will not be pre-ordering these from the first glance because I have a couple of reasons. I don't have anything against with how they look, but right now it looks like they only have one color and one lens option. The color is a warm gray, but it looks to be like a white, but I will take their word for it, warm gray. And the lens color is the Prism 24 karat, 24K, should I just say 24K polarized. That's awesome that it's polarized, but man, $499. So the first and main reason why I will not be getting these is because these are primarily sunglasses, and I personally want something that I can use indoors. So I will not be able to use these indoors, although the case looks pretty sick if you ask me. But once they do have a transition lens, I'm all over this thing. But the upgrades look really good. First of all, the battery life is what caught my eye. Up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, and 48 hours total with the charging case. That's awesome. I'm not sure where I saw this or I read it, but I believe it charges up faster as well. So that's pretty cool. I heard you have upgrades to the sound, the camera. It's a 12 megapixel still, but I believe it captures 3K, 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, and of course you got Meta AI. Don't get me wrong, I love the case for my Meta Ray-Bans, but the black case looks absolutely sick. Honestly, that's really pretty much it, because I just wanted to take a look at the glasses with you guys, and I feel like we've covered pretty much all of the features, at least on the surface. And also, I don't know if this particular lens style will fit my face in terms of shape. I have a big head, and it's very hard for me to get the right look without it looking weird on me. So what I like to do is I opt for larger lenses, or larger frames actually. And the Ray-Ban Metas that I have are actually the large version. So when it says standard frame size and fit, I'm like, okay, I feel like I would have to try these on first at a store before I actually purchase them or pre-order them. Oakley and Meta sounds really cool though. I'm really excited for the upgrades, but I think that's pretty much it for this video. Really appreciate you. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.